Online surveys offer a straightforward route to earn extra cash and achieve financial milestones swiftly. The market boasts several top legitimate survey sites such as Branded Surveys, MyPoints, HeyPiggy, Prime Opinion, FreeCash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashKick, and Opinion Outpost. Each platform varies in availability, age criteria, and payment methods, allowing you to select the most suitable one. When opting for survey sites, it's essential to factor in considerations like reputation, survey volume, and payout mechanisms. To optimize your earnings, ensure you complete your profiles thoroughly, capitalize on free offers, and prioritize surveys with the highest payout rates. Implementing best practices such as setting up a separate email address, taking intermittent breaks, and installing antivirus software can enhance your survey-taking experience. Watch out for red flags that may indicate potentially dubious survey sites, including membership fees, lack of customer reviews, requests for sensitive information, and challenging qualification processes. Rest assured, participating in surveys for money is a legitimate endeavor, typically consuming around 15 to 20 minutes per survey. Moreover, some platforms offer instant cash rewards or bonus points upon completion. Companies actively compensate individuals for their participation in surveys to gather invaluable market insights and consumer feedback. So, why wait? Dive into the world of online surveys today and start earning while contributing to market research and consumer trends.